Hi, hello dear students, welcome to my short video on the reaction called as Hunsdieker reaction. Hunsdieker reaction. You all heard about this is one of the named reaction which is useful when you are going to prepare alkyl halides, bromides or any of the alkyl chlorides and all. But the point is nothing but, the major point in discussion is nothing but the starting material of this Hunsdieker reaction is what? Anybody ask? Then you have to call they are silver salts of carboxylic acids. So we will take the silver salt of carboxylic acids from silver salt of carboxylic acid. So we will consider silver salt of the carboxylic acid as the starting material for this reaction. Is a kind of reaction treatment with halogen like bromine in carbon tetrachloride. For example, if you consider a carboxylic acid, that is RCOOH. So hydrogen place, if you write silver, this is silver salt of carboxylic acid. This silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. It will produces alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide is RBr with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas CO2 and AgBr. So what is RBr here obtained is RBr is called as alkyl bromide, haloalkane. This reaction is called as Hunsdieker reaction from silver salt of carboxylic acid. Actually this reaction follows a kind of mechanism which is called as free radical mechanism. Okay, what is the mechanism of this reaction? Anybody ask? It follows a free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. So how the free radical mechanism will be there for this Hunsdieker reaction? First, step by step we will see. First of all, if you take a bromine molecule, that bromine molecule in this reaction is going to give bromine free radicals. Two bromine free radicals. One of the bromine free radical here is treated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, gives a carboxylate free radical, and silver goes with the bromine free radical, forms AgBr. That is our second step. In this step of the mechanism, we obtained the formation of carboxylate free radical, and from that we can remove alkyl free radical. Okay. So let us see, carboxylate free radical is there, that is going to convert into alkyl free radical with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas in this step of the mechanism. Now the bromine free radical of this reaction, another bromine free radical of this step, first step, is going to join with the bromine free radical, is going to join with the alkyl free radical, forms alkyl bromide, that is RBr. So alkyl bromide is nothing but haloalkane, the major product in the reaction mechanism. So we observed that Hunsdieker reaction follows free radical mechanism. So it follows free radical mechanism. You can ask, the yield of this bromine free radical, alkyl bromide is better than alkyl chloride or not? Anything, anybody ask like that? You can tell that a bromine in the Hunsdieker reaction is going to give high yields when compared to the chlorine. That's why yield of this alkyl chloride in this reaction is said to be lesser than the yield of alkyl bromide. So, we prefer bromine in the Hunsdieker reaction. That is one of the reasons behind this process. Coming to the another one, when you want to prepare iodine, alkyl iodide, it is going to give a different product, not alkyl halide. That means, what is the noticeable fact in this reaction of silver salt of carboxylic acid with a halogen iodine? When you take the 2 moles of silver salt of carboxylic acid, the result is not alkyl halide. The result is nothing but an ester with the liberation of CO2 gas. Ester is RCOOR, carbon dioxide is liberated, along with the silver halide formation, AgI formation happened. So, what we expect is only obtaining when you take chlorine or bromine in the Hunsdieker reaction. Iodine is not going to give the alkyl halide along with the carbon dioxide and AgI. So, the compound obtained in the reaction of silver halide, silver salt of carboxylic acid with iodine is not alkyl halide, is ester. We have to remember this step of the reaction when you are going to do this one for iodine cases. So, iodine case is eliminated. Only you can do the Hunsdieker reaction with either chlorine or bromine for the preparation of alkyl halides. So, here we have prepared alkyl bromide in this reaction of the silver salt of carboxylic acid with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. This is the most important reaction, named reaction from this chapter also. So, you do remember and have a note of it. Thank you.